Hello, boys and girls. I wanted to show you some tools that you can use to make some arrays and practice multiplication, okay? Now, you can go to the dollar store and find these objects at the dollar store. A big bag. I have some gems. All my gems are mixed up, but you can buy gems that are all the same. You can buy a bag of shells. Remember our hundreds, tens, and ones? I have some ones here. You could use Legos. Do you have any Lego pieces? And I have some cubes here that I might use too, all right? So go to the dollar store, see what kind of loose parts you can find, and then you can practice making an array. So I'm gonna use my shells first, and I'm just gonna point the camera down here so you can see what I'm doing. I just have a blank sheet of paper to make my array. And let's say I wanna make the array 4 times 3. So I'm gonna have 4 rows of 3. Okay, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna put, 3 in each row. Slippery little stinker there. 2, 3. Notice how I'm lining them up, even though they're different shapes, you still want them to be equal. That means the same in each row, the same in each column. And there we go. So now I have my 4 rows of 3 in each row, okay? Yes, sorry, 4 rows, 3 in each row. That's correct. And now we have 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. You can also change the factors. Okay, that's 4 times 3. Now we could switch the factors, commutative property, and do 3 times 4. So we're going to have 3 rows of 4. I still use the same amount of shells, and you get the same answer when you switch the factors. Okay, let's try one more. We'll do the gems. You could find these like in the flower section of the dollar store where they have vases and things like that because you put them in vases. Now, let's see. Let's do the problem. We'll do 6 times 2, okay? So 6 down the column. And 2 in each row. Okay, you want to line them up. You always want to make sure that you have equal parts in each row. Equal means the same. So do I have 2 in each row? Yes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of 2. So it's 6 times 2 equals 12. You can skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. When you have 5s, you can skip count by 5s. When you have 10s, you can skip count by 10s. Now watch, I'm going to switch the factors. Instead of 6 times 2, I'm going to do 2 times 6. 2 rows of 6. I know I'm going to use the same amount of gems, so now I can just move them. 2 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're always counting the one in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you go. That is how to practice multiplication. Your turn.